All right. Let's go. Okay, take it to the garage, okay? Yep, all the way to the garage. All right. Let's see. Come here. Bring that right here. Put it right there for me. Hey, back it up just a little bit away from the dog food. Perfect. All right. Now, let's see. Yeah, come here. Come over here. Yep, cat litter. Cat litter. Huh? Wipes? No, we don't need wipes. This is for the cat litter box. Oh. So, open that up. Let's see. There we go. Just like that. Knew it was in there somewhere. Alright. Ready to help me pour it in? All spread around in there. Cover the bottom up real good. And a nice layer. Alrighty, how's that look? No, don't put your hands in it, okay? We'll just do that, okay? Alright. Okay, now, let's see if we can get all this picked up.
What is pick?
You got it?
No. I need to die.
Alright, here, you hold this.
Okay.
Don't push no buttons, just hold it. Don't push no buttons, just hold it. Alright, down here, I'll hold it. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Yep.
Go.
Hey, can you close this door behind me? Alright, can you get the gate? Here, we hold this. Don't push any buttons.
Okay.
You're covering up the thing. There you go. Don't push buttons. Alright, let's go. Alright. Alright, that one's all clean. Let's go get the other one. Yeah, let's go get the other one.
Outside.
Yep, we gotta go check it outside.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, hello. Outside, doggy. Doggy. No way.
Let's go check that other box, see if it's dry. And then we'll put some more litter in it. How's it looking? Does it look dry? Hold on, let me see. Hold on. We need to get that another minute or two. Well, we can get some paper towels and dry it out. Come on. Here, you tote this. Not over your head, man. They're just going to have all that water dripping on you. You don't want to do that. We don't need your hair all wet with litter box water. Yeah, litter box water. You set it right there on the floor for me. All right, perfect. Let's see here.
I got yours. I got yours. I got yours.
All right. Get all down here in this corner right over here and just dry it out. All in that corner right here, all right through there. get all in there and get it dry. All right, perfect. Put that in the trash can now.
Put it in trash can.
Yep.
Put it in trash can. It's
Yes,
all
please.
done.
That's ready to go. We're gonna put some litter in it.
Something in it.
Yep, we're gonna put some litter in it. You take that to the garage.
Cute dog. Baby doggy.
To the garage.
Baby doggy. Cute.
You put that down. You gonna turn the light on? Okay, can you flip this other switch on? This other switch. Can you turn it on for me too?
Okay.
All right. All right, hold on a second.
This cat.
Do what?
This cat. This cat.
For cats?
Those cats.
Those cats?
Yes.
Yep. This one's gonna take a little more litter.
You do that?
Yeah, because it's a bigger box.
You do that?
Yeah. Coco, relax, man.
Yes. That's that.
Hi. I'm struggling with this one today.
Yes.
Alrighty. Put that right in there. I'll take this. Pour the whole thing in there. Can you get it and pour the whole thing in there? Put it all in there. There you go. Make sure it all gets in the box. Stay down low. Stay down low to the box.
Next.
Put that right in there.
Next.
Yep. Do another one. Alright, let's get this one in good shape.
I got you.
Put that right in there.
Mama!
What are we yelling at? Can you pour that one all the way in there?
It'll be heavy.
Yep. In good shape. Down low though. So it stays in the box.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Yep, we can take it. Give it a good shake just like that.
Wait.
And look at what we got. Can you pick it up and tote it?
No.
No? Okay, look. Look, come here. High fives. All right, tell them bye.
Bye.
Can you push a button?